Inhale, exhale. It's simple, right? Not always. Imagine hearing a high-pitched whistle each time you breathe. That's wheezing for you. It's your body's distress signal, often associated with asthma, allergies, or even a common cold. A quick pause here for a reminder. Subscribe to Mind Musings for more insightful content. When those little airways in your lungs get inflamed or constricted, they produce this unusual sound. It's not just an annoyance. Wheezing could be a sign of something more serious. So next time you hear that whistle, don't ignore it. Get it checked. Remember, knowledge is power. This is Mind Musings, where we unravel the mysteries of the mind, one short at a time.